Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a boot lock latch on a Holden Astra. So you'll need a T30 for these 3 bolts, and you'll need a T25 to take out the 2 bolts here, so you can pull this down enough to get in there and take off this little arm off of the latch here, the mechanism up there. So that just lives up in there. Alright, so to take this latch off, this arm off, you just want to push it like that, then pull it out. So it's as simple as that. Lift up, pull it out. Alright, so that's what it looks like when it's all connected up in there.